Lightning was here. Follow Lightning's story and collect the special decals along the way. Meet Lightning McQueen. He used to be a rookie race car who only cared about one thing: winning. Then he found himself in the sleepy town of Radiator Springs, and boy did things change. Let's take a look around. Here we are, Radiator Springs. From Flo's V8 Cafe to Mater's Tow Yard, you'll see there's plenty of personality. At first, Lightning couldn't wait to race out of there, but soon he started to appreciate the charms of this sleepy little town. Ramon is the go-to guy when your paint job is dull. He'll brighten you right up. Flo's is the place to go for all the gas, antifreeze, coolant, and axle grease a car could need. Though Flo's is cheery enough during the day, at night when she turns on the neon, ka-chow! Mater is Lightning's best friend. He has a heart the size of a semi. Tractor tipping and driving backward are Mater's specialties. The tow yard is his pride and joy. Luigi runs a spiffy tire shop here in Radiator Springs. He keeps all the cars rolling in style, even if they aren't Ferraris. Doc is a very impressive car. He's the town judge and the town doctor. Lightning discovered Doc's secret past. He used to be a race car. Doc was the Hudson Hornet, and he won 3 piston cups. At Lizzie's shop, the signs speak for themselves. You want it, we got it. And also, junk. There's lots to see and do out there, but Radiator Springs is the only place where Lightning's ever wanted to get into low gear. It has nice scenery, great friends, and, oh yes, the finest tractor tipping this side of the Mississippi. Put all the decals you found in the right place on Lightning. Great job. Lightning looks pretty spiffy now. Lightning was here.